Introducing the 2023 20th Anniversary Rubicon. Available as a 4xe and a 392. Now that's offering our customers a choice. 20 years ago, I don't know that anyone would suspect that we'd be at this important milestone with both a V8 gas and an electrified 4xe Wrangler, both worthy of the top trail-rated badge. That traditional 20th anniversary gift is fine china or porcelain, but we're delivering the complete opposite of delicate and fragile. These anniversary editions are everything you'd expect from a hardcore Rubicon, and then some. Here's what makes these Rubicons even more capable than their predecessors, and here's what makes them the most capable Wrangler 4xe and 392 yet. 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels, off-road front trail camera, triple hoop grille guard, heavy-duty rock rails, winch-capable front steel bumpers, a factory lift with 11.6 inches of ground clearance, a Gorilla Glass windshield, and we even give our customers a Jeep-branded 83-piece toolkit. In addition to giving the 80th anniversary its expected capability boost, we gave it recognizable style. Distinctive 20th anniversary graphics, blue, which nod to the 4xe, and a striking bronze color highlighting 392 power. And here's the best part, a new interpretation of our iconic 7-slotted grille that, yeah, we've been hiding in plain sight since last year's Easter Jeep Safari. We have brought back the red theme as well. You'll see that on the leather seats and the leather-wrapped dash. Many of our customers also said they loved our red seat belts, so we brought those back too. We have a 20th anniversary plaque and shifter medallion, and like every Wrangler Rubicon, you will find a durable steel frame, locking differentials, an electronic sway bar disconnect, off-road shocks, rugged BFG KO2 tires to tackle even the roughest terrain. Both special anniversary editions are available in 9 exterior colors. But of course, there are differences in these vehicles that give them a personality all of their own. Most notably, it's their powertrains. The 4xe is quietly powered by a 370 horsepower plug-in hybrid that delivers a whopping 470 pound-feet of torque. With that, you can expect 21 miles of all-electric range, an incredible 49 mpge, and most importantly, silent off-road driving. And most important to our enthusiasts is that instant torque that makes it available to climb up even the steepest grades. It's no wonder that the Wrangler 4xe is America's best-selling plug-in hybrid. This 20th anniversary 4xe is bolstered by 33-inch tires and 17-inch black beadlock wheels. Now, let's take a look at its sibling. Here's what 392 plus 20 years of Rubicon gets you. Rugged power from a V8 with 470 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. These numbers translate to a 0 to 60 time of 4.5 seconds and a quarter mile time of 13 seconds flat, making this the quickest, fastest, and most powerful Wrangler yet. It arrives on 35-inch KO2 tires, and for the first time, a Mopar-developed, factory-installed onboard air compressor. Hey, we're not just blowing cold air here. Any off-road or veteran will tell you how important onboard air is. With this, all you have to do is grab the hose and bring it around to the tire that needs airing up. Hey, does the lunatic fringe approve? All right. These Rubicons are limited editions. Only 4,000 will be built. There's no doubt that these vehicles will become collectors. You can check it out on Jeep.com.